اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وسلم.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله رب العالمين والعاقبة للمتقين والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين وعلى آله وأصحابه الطيبين الطاهرين وأصحابه المكرمين المعظمين. أما بعد، أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. لقد كان لكم في رسول الله أسوة حسنة. صدق الله العظيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. اللهم أرنا الحق حقا وارزقنا اتباعه وأرنا الباطل باطلا وارزقنا اجتنابه. اللهم صل على سيدنا ومولانا محمد معدن الجود والكرم وآله الكرام وابنه الكريم وبارك وسلم عليك الصلاة والسلام. My beloved Nabi Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's beloved followers, today is 19th or 18th Sha'ban al-Mu'azzam. Day by day we are getting closer to one of the most beautiful months, blessed month of Ramadan. Alhamdulillah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us beautiful Ramadan. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us tawfiq to obtain and gain rahmah, blessings, forgiveness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us tawfiq to do extra worships and ibadah and to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ameen. Ya Rabbil Alameen. Inshallah, today I will talk about how to prepare ourselves for Ramadan al-Mubarak. It is very important and known thing that any guest, when he appears, when he about to come at our house, what do? We start preparing. Somebody from our family member, parents, and some friends, anybody, what do? We start preparing the guest room. If he is closer one, then we start preparing some other stuff. Similarly, Ramadan is the beautiful month of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's come to us to make us pious people, righteous people, muttaqeen. And when it comes, we have to have some preparation. So it should not be that the day Ramadan starting tonight and we feel completely, the schedule change and our body feels so much, pain, hunger, and, it completely, the restless thing actually should not, appear in our body, in our schedule. So that is why we should start few things in the month of Sha'ban. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what he used to do, he used to fast in the month of Ramadan. And he used to recommend that he was asked what is the best fasting. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, fasting in the month of Sha'ban to prepare and to give respect to the month of Ramadan, that is very important. It's very important. So every Monday, every Thursday, some extra days, we should fast. So we should get ready for the beautiful month of Ramadan al-Mubarak, inshallah rahman. The second thing we should do, that is dua. Rasulullah used to make dua, Allahumma ballighna Ramadan. Allahumma barik lana fi Rajab wa Sha'ban wa ballighna Ramadan. Allah, give us beautiful Ramadan. Similarly, we should make dua. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us long life. So we should get Ramadan and we should get, inshallah rahman, tawfiq to get closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to do more ibadahs and more worships. This is very important, that we should make dua. And the third thing that we should do, that we should make sure if we are missing any wajib, any farz prayers during the last 10 months, we should start immediately now. We should never think, okay, Ramadan will come, then I will start from that day. We don't know what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has granted us, how long we are going to live, we don't know. We should start immediately. And with that, it is going to help us. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has granted us plenty of things as mandatory, as obligatory ibadah. You start immediately, inshaAllah rahman. So what happened? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give us tawfiq that when the month of Ramadan will come, we will do extra, we'll do more, inshallah. Another thing which actually we should do before the month of Ramadan, that is Salatul Layl. it is recommended that we should do Qiyamul Layl. It is recommended to do Qiyamul Layl during the month of Ramadan. And what we can do, we can start now. Just weekends, Friday night, Saturday night. Of course, we are doing our program that is going to end tomorrow. But at your house, you get up in the morning. MashaAllah, long light, nights we have right now. Sunset is around 6 o'clock. After daylight saving, it will be 7 o'clock. But still, we have long night till the Fajr. What we can do, 30 minutes before Fajr time begins, do some tahajjud. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to pray tahajjud, and he says, if you will get to know the reward of tahajjud, you will never ever miss that. You will never miss that. You will take it as farz. That means it is very important. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam says the best ibadah when a person when he performs that, how he does in the night when nasu niyam and other people are sleeping. That is salatul layl. That is qiyamul layl. Do some tahajjud, do some salatul layl, do some qiyamul layl, some nawafil in the middle of the night when everybody is busy sleeping, and connection between you and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is completely on high. Alhamdulillah, completely connected with each other to submission towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We will be ready with the beautiful month of Ramadan, inshallah. Another important thing that we should do to prepare for Ramadan, that is, we should learn the masail and fiqh of siyam, fasting. We should know what are those things which break our fasting. What are those things that we think it breaks our fasting, but it does not. Because some basic things we know, eating, drinking, intentionally and knowingly, and having relationship with wife, halal or illegal with anyone else, all those things break our fast. But there are few things which actually in today's world, somebody is diabetic, he's taking insulin, somebody is actually sick, and he is taking some other kind of injection on daily basis. Somebody is actually having BP or some other masail. We should know if how fast break. This is what we should know. When it is allowed not to fast, when it is necessary to fast, what age it becomes obligatory. All those things, the fiqh siyam, the masail of fasting, we should learn, we should know before this month starts. So we should have no excuse that I did not know. We should have no excuse. On the day of judgment, in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we cannot say that I did not know. I did not know. You cannot say. You kill someone and then you say in front of judge that I didn't know it was not allowed. It is going to be accepted? No. Similarly, on the day of judgment, lack of knowledge will not be excused. We have to know. It is obligatory. For talabul ilmi faridatun ala kulli muslimin. Each and every Muslim, he has to have that much knowledge which actually allows him to know about the basic and fundamental teachings of Islam. Ramadan is the second most important ibadah we do actually in our life. So we should know all the important masail, especially if somebody in your family who is sick, somebody in your family who is using insulin, somebody in your family is going through anything, we should know the masail, inshallah. Another thing that we should know, and that is that we should protect our tongue. We should protect our tongue, our lisan, saying bad words. Otherwise, we will be fasting, we will be hungry, and at the same time we will be cursing. We will be saying bad words, we will be singing songs. So what will happen? In that case, our roza, our fasting will be makruh. By end of the day, maybe we will curse so much that in the court of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it will be just a diet, that you are on diet, you are not eating anything. When a person is fasting, all of his organs should be fasting. His mouth should be fasting, that he's not cursing. His ear should be fasting, that he's not listening anything bad. His eye should be fasting, that he's not watching or seeing anything inappropriate. That actually our fast become a real fasting, will actually make us righteous and muttaqi person. When our fasting, we are only keeping ourselves away from food and halal relationship. And we are cursing, we are singing, we are doing backbiting, we are doing speeching, we are actually doing all the bad things with our tongue. In that case, we are just hungry in the sight of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So before Ramadan, we should try to stop this, inshallah. These are the few things that we should have in our preparation. One last thing. I would request you, if you really want to welcome the beautiful month of Ramadan in a nice way, in the best way, start talking about it. Start talking about it. We do that in our daily life, especially those who love cricket. They talk about World Cup is coming, PSL is coming. Those who watch Super Bowl, they talk about, oh, this Sunday I'm busy, I have to watch this. If there's some other thing, any deals, Christmas, any other day, we talk about it even 2-3 weeks before that. Ramadan is coming, let's talk about this. Let's say somebody says in April we have to go there. No, Ramadan is there. I cannot come. If any kind of event taking place in the school, sorry, it will be Ramadan and I will be, fasting, so maybe my schedule will be this and that. When you will keep telling your children, they will learn that Ramadan is something very special. It gives us spirituality, ruhaniyat, and it makes us closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us tawfiq to prepare enough for the month of Ramadan. May Allah give us tawfiq to earn enough blessings in the month of Ramadan. May Allah give us tawfiq to please Allah and His beloved Nabi Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Ma'alina al-balagh al-mubin. Assalamu alaikum. Very important announcement. From this Sunday, daylight saving will take place. So next Friday, Jumu'ah timing will be different. First Jumu'ah will be 1:15, inshallah. I'm only saying Iqamah time. And the second Jumu'ah will be 2:15. When you go out, you will see at all the walls, pillars, doors, the new Salah time is there. Take a picture. We are going to post on Facebook, our website, WhatsApp group. So you should not miss it. Do let others know. Inshallah Rahman, अगले हफ्ते से जुमा का टाइम, पहले जुमा की जमाअत का टाइम 1:15 बजे होगा, 1:15, और दूसरे जुमा की जिसमें आप लोगों की शिरकत होती है अक्सर, ये जो अब तक 1:30 पर होता है, ये होगा 2:15 पर इंशाअल्लाह रहमान। अल्लाह ताला हम सब की इबादत में कबूल मंजूर फरमाए। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।